If you're a website designer who doesn't have clients and actually want to get one, I have a way that you can be able to try, and this might actually work out for you if you do it consistently for at least 3 months. And it's called cold emailing. But this is what the entire process is going to be. First of all, you have to go on Google and then type in skincare companies in whatever country that you want the company to be from. I'm assuming that you like to work with skincare companies. You want to design for skincare companies. It could be any other industry, you know. Then type in skincare companies, then let's say in Australia, for instance. What you are going to see is a bunch of companies, both their big brands and their local brands right there on that page. That is what Google is going to give you. As long as that company has Google My Business, profile, it's going to appear there. Now, the miracle thing about this thing is that there's always their website attached somewhere beside their name. What I want you to do is to hover around that, their website, and then open it as a new tab. The reason you are doing this is because you don't want to close out that page that has all of those companies. So you want to individually keep opening each of the company's websites so that you can find their email. Their email is usually somewhere at the bottom of the page. That is where most companies put their email. Some people, you might not find their emails, but for most, you're definitely going to find their email at the bottom of their website. So the idea is for you to copy out those emails and keep it somewhere. Or if you can do it individually, that is still very fine. When you are copying out the email of that company, take a look at their website and see what is the problem there and how you can possibly fix it. Let's say when you are trying to load in one of the website, it was a bit slow and you couldn't get in fast. That is a problem. They need to do some optimization, and it's something that you can probably be able to fix. Or you can look, maybe their hero section is not properly designed, poor alignment, images overshadowing text, there's not a lot of transparency in whatever it is that they did there. That is something you can fix as well. So write it down as part of the problem. And then when you're emailing them, this is where you are going to, pitch them a solution to those problems that you saw on their website. So it's simply a situation of, hello there, I ran into your website, then you add the website name. And these are a couple of things that you are doing wrong. And if you don't fix them, you're constantly going to keep losing money for clients that your website cannot be able to convert because of poor alignment, poor messaging, weak CTA, whatever the problem is that you figured out there, list it out, add how you can be able to be of a solution. If you even want to go extra mile, just go ahead and redesign the entire thing. Then send them a mock-up or maybe a file that contains that your redesign. They're definitely going to want to, see who is this person that is already providing solution to what they believe to be a problem. Now, if you do this consistently, there isn't a way that you cannot get at least one reply in 3 months, right? But I really hope that this helps you. Just try it out and let's see what the result is.